Friends, we're in Benguet. I look like an egg. As you can see on the far right, there's deforestation. Oh, a lot of people. Well, I guess we have to socialize. Really? It is so hard. Oh my god, did you look? Come here. Like on this at the other side. Here. It's so nice. Look. It's a video though. Holy shit. We're like in Forks. Shout out Bob Marie. Oh my god, so nice. Girl, para kang nasa scene ng ano.
Twilight.
His and hers. Oo, Twilight. Oh my god.
Happened, Bella? Ay, ano yan? Yan, ganyan.
Ito maganda. May ganito ako.
Yan nga, puro
okay.
ganyan.
This is nice as well.
Anyway.
Anyway.
Ganun lang kita.
Hindi, wag na. Okay lang. Di ba, kuya? Oo. This is so low-key scary. Campsite 1, let's go! Saan pangarap mo, Haji? Friends, oh my god, they're here. Welcome to the first campsite. I think you should join. We're at the 5-kilometer turning point campsite. And now let's turn around. Oh my god, look at them. This shot is for Papa Bob and Papa Bob only. Tas hindi i-edit. Or pag na-edit, magagalit yung Siargao clips. So that's the tea. Day in the life of Haji. First thing in the morning, he goes up to Mount Ulap to manifest his dream. Pangarap ni Haji ang maging isang acoustic guitarist. Oh, yun lang. Haji, batiin mo ako. It's my birthday. Thank you, Haji. Parte ka na ng history ng buhay ko.
Tingin mo ilang taon na siya?
26 po.
Wow!
Bakit 26? It's...
Ilan po
Well,
dapat?
yeah.
Ano pa masaya nun?
Hindi. Ay, oo. Gusto ko na yung akala ni Darlene eh. Really? Well, what can we do? I think it's the work. It's the work that we have. That's killing us softly. It's killing the cells. If you're gonna go to Mount Ulap, let's contact Haji. How? We don't know as well. 800 lang daw at pwede nyo daw dagdagan.
Ipapost po yung contact number dito.
Contact here.
An official FB page.
I did not put any sunscreen on, and with that, do I care? Not really. I just need a pair of shades. Anyway. And then, wala, ayaw nila.
Ano to ni Haji?
3, 2, 1. Haji, can you hold this?
Okay. Ano pang gagawin?
Ganyan ka lang. 1, 2, 3. Oh, Exodus.
Yung mga
Linggaw ng palaspas. Nandito ang lahat upang salubungin si Jesus. Ay, sorry. Ganda oh. Para talagang ano, Exodus. Low-key scary. Oh, so nice. This is the tree of life. Is it? Bahay nila mama. Ano pong flavors? Ay, isa lang po yun. Tatlo po.
Time nyo na po, kanina pa.
Kaya kapag nag-visit din sir dito.
How was it?
Pwede. Nasa ka ba?
So pretty. We're going to the last peak. The biggest of them all. What? It's 11 in your eyes. Haji, pang ilang akit mo na to?
15 po or
16. I was about to say because you're going ng Saturday, Sunday for 2 months. So 8, 8, 16, di ba?
Nice, consistent siya.
This is Mount Ulap. Why though? Where are the clouds? That's the tea. Anyway. Oh, look at that. Perfectly coned hill. I'm done with it.
Ako yun na lang.
Chicken. Sa atin na yan pareho.
Dalawang budget po. Magkano po dito?
Avocado is 9/10. Mm. Hmm? So good.